Okay, we're going to talk about reconstituting medications from a dry powder into a liquid so that you can inject them IV or IM. Two of the common medications you will do this with is solumedrol or methylprednisolone, and then glucagon. So first we'll talk about glucagon. It comes in a box like this, and then you will have two separate vials in that box. One of those vials is sterile water, and then the other one is the glucagon powder itself. So I'm going to pop the top off of my sterile water vial. I don't need to wipe this off because I just popped the top off of it, so it should be clean. And it's a milliliter of sterile water, so I will inject a milliliter of air in, and then draw out my sterile water. So I've got that. Then I've got my glucagon powder. I will pop the top off of that and inject my sterile water into there. So I'm going to shake that up, make sure all the powder is dissolved. Yep. And then I will go ahead and draw the glucagon back out of there like normal. And then it's ready to be injected. So then when it comes to the solumedrol, this is a little different system. So you can see you have some sterile water up in the top of this vial, and then in the bottom of the vial is the dry powder. Between those is this rubber stopper. So to get the sterile water into the powder, you take the vial and you just pinch it like that. That forces the water down into the powder, and then you're gonna shake that up until all the powder is dissolved. Then you can see this top here, it's got a little plastic piece that just pops off like that, and then like any other medication, you will stick your fill needle in and draw up. Notice that this medication tends to be very foamy, so a lot of times you'll have to wait for those bubbles to go down and get those out of your syringe before you give it.